Mahabharata is a sacred epic poem that tells about the struggles faced between two groups of cousins to gain supreme power. One of them was the Kauravas, 100 sons of King Dhritarashtra, and the other group was the Pandavas, 5 sons of Pandu. These two rival families opposed each other in a war to gain possession of their ancestral Bharat kingdom and also the capital, Hastinapur. The story begins with Pandu as the king, who was skilled in warfare and archery. His cousin brother, Dhritarashtra, was the eldest and was barred from being the king because he was blind. When the political and social affairs of the kingdom were running smoothly under the power of Pandu, he decided to hand over the state affairs to his blind brother Dhritarashtra and retreated into the forest with his 2 wives for some time. When they returned, Pandu and his wife Madri looking for an epic read that's roughly 12 times the size of the Bible. Then, Mahabharata might be the book for you. Sometimes referred to as the Hindu Bible, Mahabharata was written by Veda Vyas. It is the world's longest known poem with more than 200,000 individual lines and nearly 2 million words. The book is part narrative and part story, and details the Kurukshetra war that pitted brothers, the Kaurava and Pandav princes, against one another. It's also equal parts devotional readings, philosophical musings, and a collection of Hindu legend and history. Though it's impossible to thoroughly summarize this great book in just a few hundred words, let's take a look at the central story that runs throughout Mahabharata to get a glimpse inside Vyas' writings. Summary of Mahabharata. Imagine a football field where a game between 2 intense rivals is set to take place, and you'll have the general picture of Mahabharata. On one side, you have the 5 sons of King Pandu and their friends. On the other side, you have the 100 sons of King Dhritarashtra and their friends. And they're not getting ready to play a game, but engage in a pretty serious battle. Something serious is about to happen on the field of Kurukshetra. The reason for the war. But why is everyone so mad? For much the same reason that countries, foes, and allies get mad even today, a lengthy history of tense relationships, one-upmanship, and political game-playing. Both sides were Indian royalty who simply could not get along. Sound familiar? The 2 warring sides, the Pandavas and the Kauravas, were cousins in an all-out war to control the Bharat kingdom in northern India. The Pandavas